Hello, what's up, guys? Joe, caffeine, all the good stuff. Alright, I'll make this quick. Do something different. Mainly because I want to make sure I don't get in trouble and keep my channel going. I went to a burlesque show. Yeah, it was, of course, it was a blast. Seen a bunch of, alternative girls taking their clothes off on stage. Now, there's no nudity, obviously, because it's not the point of the show. It's just like they tinker on the border of being completely nude, right? But they wear sort of the clothing to cover their private parts, right? But they're like 95% nude, basically, But yeah, they put on like a little show and other good stuff, right? But the thing is that I really don't want to run the risk of like getting like a strike or something like that on my videos, and also I don't want my videos to get viewed by minors. I want to avoid that. If you want to see that video, I'll put the link in this video so you can direct you to that video that's unlisted, so you guys can check it out in that way, right? So simply as that. So yeah, I'm making this video to announce my unlisted video of the burlesque show they went. So yeah, give that a watch if you're interested in that. If not, no problem. It's also age restricted, so you have to be signed into your YouTube account. If you're interested in watching a burlesque show, click the link in the video descriptions and enjoy. That's all. Thanks for watching. Peace.